Welcome to Universal's Volcano Bay, a whole new water theme park where life is joy and, water is life. Conveniently located 10 feet away from Interstate 4 and right next to Turkey Lake Road, you'll be immersed in a wonderful Hawaiian paradise. Take a spin on some of your favorite rides, such as the Ka'uia'ia Body Plunge and the Ukakalabita Raft Ride. Long waits? No problem. Use your Crapu wearable to stand next to the 300-minute long lines instead of standing in them. We also have a bunch of really cool light features that don't actually work. Hear that noise? That's relaxation calling your name. My bad. Water is life and life is joy. This looks really cool, doesn't it? Too bad we didn't actually build it. And when day turns into night, you have to leave the park because we close at 8 p.m. Volcano Bay, water theme park. Only at Universal Orlando Resort.